Okay, so if I've got 2.5, 2.5, so 1, 2.5. And I want to break the whole thing into halves. So it means I need to take this one and cut them in half. Okay, so if I cut them in half, how many bits have I got all together now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I take my 2 holes, cut them in half to make them halves as well, that means I'm going to have 5 halves altogether. Now a quicker way to do that is to take your whole number and multiply it by the bottom number and then add on the top number. So that would be 2 times 2, which is 4, add on 1, 5. So this one, I've got 3 3/4 and I want to break it all into quarters. So the quick way is we do 3 times 4, which is 12, and then we add on the top. So 12 add 3 is 15. So we get 15 over 4. Another one, if we have got 2 3/5 and I want to break it all into fifths, I'm going to do 2 times 5, which is 10, and then I'm going to add on 3, which is 13. So that is 13 over 5.